Hi, I'm Dr. David Bloom. I'm a general dental practitioner and I qualified in 1989. For 23 of those years I worked in the same dental practice and so really worked out what works and what doesn't work. I'm a past president of the British Academy of Cosmetic Dentistry and I'm accredited by the BACD.
Hi, my name's Gus and I'm one of the team of dentists here at the Perfect Smile Studios. I've been there for about 5 years and through that time we have helped hundreds of people improve their smile, improve their confidence, get back the ability to eat properly, and we've used a whole variety of methods to do this.
Hi, my name is Dr. Sam Jethwa and I have a passion for cosmetic dentistry and creating bespoke, beautiful smiles. I have been involved with the British Academy of Cosmetic Dentistry since before I graduated and am now committee chair at the Academy.
Here at Perfect Smile there are a number of colleagues, each with different areas of expertise. So it's very much a team approach.
We take great passion and care to deliver bespoke, personalised, beautiful smiles, healthy and long-lasting, using all the skills available within our extensive and experienced team.
We can straighten teeth and there's a whole bunch of braces that we can use to do this. We can redesign your smile by using veneers where we don't even need to drill your teeth, and we can replace your missing teeth in quick and effective methods.